टोकन नंबर 40।
जब संकल्प का बजट युवाओं के हाथों में होता है, तभी विकसित भारत 2047 स्वयं अपना आकार लेता है। पॉज, रिवाइंड। 1st February 2026, Sunday, sharp 11 a.m. in the historic Hall of Parliament, as the clock ticks steadily, a single document was placed on the table. This is not just a paper, but a dreams of 140 crore nation. A voice rang out loud and clear. This is the Union Budget 26-27. Respected dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, namaskar. I, token number 40, stand here not just to speak on the budget, but to build a bridge connecting 65% of the Indian youth to Viksit Bharat 2047. As Nirmala Sitharaman ji declared, 2026 युवा शक्ति का बजट है, guided by 3 कर्तव्यास: sustained growth, fulfilled aspiration and सबका साथ सबका विकास, transforming the thinking into action, dreams into delivery and a potential into performance. Ladies and gentlemen, from 195 nation to 28 states to 8.3 crore proud Rajasthanis to 205 young minds present in the very house, I stand to speak with pride that युवा ही राष्ट्र की रीढ़ है। 15,000 content creator labs, 500 AVGC colleges, the orange economy, Khelo India mission, these are not just the words, but these are transforming from a traditional to artificial intelligence. This is the Vishwaguru in motion. As beautifully quoted in Hanuman Chalisa, Vidyavan Guniyati Chatur Ram Gachakari Beko Vatur. Isn't it that Indian youth today? From the chessboards of Vishwanath Anand to Pradri D. Gukesh, from inspiring Sachin Tendulkar to the Vaibhav Suryavanshi, from the Einstein to Ranveer Sachdeva. These are not just the stories. These are the living proof of a triangle. Talent, ambition, aspiration, when combined together, the original behavior into the historic achievement. This is what exactly the Union Budget 2026 is doing. This is not turning the Indian youth, but transforming them into the architects of Indian Union Budget and the Viksit Bharat 2047. So I ask, will we witness the change or become the change? Will we dream or not turn the words but remain it and walk? As APJ Abdul Kalam quoted, we do not need handsomely dressed people but hands of some ready to give. ये अमृत काल में अमृत पीढ़ी को अमृत भविष्य की ओर ले जाने का आह्वान है। ये विकसित भारत 2047 बनाने का आह्वान है। ये विकसित भारत 2047 बनाने का आह्वान। जब होगा सबका साथ, जब होगा समस्त युवा शक्ति का साथ, हमारा विश्वास तभी बनेगा विकसित भारत 2047 का। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद।